Hey there, before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Now, have you ever wondered why some of the most visually stunning anime battles can still leave you feeling underwhelmed? Let's talk about the curious case of One Piece. The anime has been captivating audiences with its breathtaking visuals and action-packed scenes. It's a treat for the eyes, no doubt about it. But there's a elephant in the room, a persistent problem that fans just can't seem to shake off. Remember episode 1125, the epic showdown between Admiral Kizaru and our beloved Luffy. It was a masterpiece of animation, a battle that had everyone talking, yet amidst the praise, there was a chorus of complaints about the sound effects. Enter Soda Shigetsugu, the renowned animator behind Jujutsu Kaisen and Chainsaw Man. He didn't hold back, calling out Toei Animation for their sound design choices. It seems the issue isn't just a one-off. It's been brewing for a while. On Platform X, user Hone Hone sparked a heated debate, demanding that Toei Animation sack their sound effects team. His post struck a chord, reflecting the growing frustration among fans. The sound quality has taken a nosedive, especially during the Wano arc, which is a real shame considering the leaps in production quality. The sounds haven't changed much in over 2 decades, but that's not necessarily a good thing. They're often too shrill and poorly timed, detracting from the immersive experience. Yet the original music tracks remain iconic and stellar. Sure, One Piece has its quirks, like debatable pacing and occasional visual blips, but the sound effects, that's a fixable issue. Imagine if the battles were accompanied by crisp, well-timed sounds. It would elevate the series to new heights. In the end, it's like having a delicious cake with a soggy bottom. It just doesn't hit the spot. So here's a little joke for you. Why did the One Piece sound effect team get fired? Because they couldn't hit the right notes. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, I'll see you next time.